There are two things you can do to help your eyes make your vision very acute and excellent, and maybe even stave off glasses until you're really old. The first one of those two things is to eat the right nutrients. I'm going to start with vitamin A and beta carotene. These two nutrients are the two sides of the same coin. Vitamin A you get from animal food. It's preformed vitamin A. You can get it from cheese and egg yolks. Liver is an amazing source of vitamin A. And then seafood is a very good source too. Beta carotene is provitamin A. And that's because when you eat orange, yellow, red vegetables, your body changes the beta carotene it gets into vitamin A. Now, vitamin A you need to form your eyes. So to make the cornea that goes across the front, if somebody who's really deficient in vitamin A won't even have a proper cornea. The rods and the cones in your retina, in the back of your eye, you need vitamin A to take the light image that you're seeing and change it to a signal that goes to the optic nerve and to your brain. And vitamin A beta carotene totally helps with night vision. So to help you see when it's really dark and you want to really make things out and you're looking, that's what you need vitamin A for. The next one, vitamin E. I made vitamin E a brownie color because you can find it in anything that has oils in it. So seeds, nuts, avocado, olives, all those kind of things have vitamin E. Vitamin E helps protect our eyes from viruses and bacteria and keep our eyes healthy. And the last specifically nutrients for our eyes, zeaxanthin and lutein. I love the word zeaxanthin. These two are also antioxidants. Vitamin A, beta carotene, vitamin E, all antioxidants. In class, we're going to talk about what that means, what it means to be an antioxidant and what it does. We're going to do a little activity. So zeaxanthin and lutein are super important for your eyes. They filter out the harmful rays of the sun and the harmful blue light that comes in through our computer screens and mobile phones. Zeaxanthin and lutein are in the front of our eyes, and it blocks out. It's like looking through when you filter through your fingers. It stops the blue light from entering into the back of our eye. And then zeaxanthin and lutein make up a large part of the chemicals that are in our retina all the time. And they repair the damage caused by the blue light that does make it all the way through. Really exciting and important for your eye health. Now, the second thing that you can do for your eyes, I'm not going to tell you till you get to class. I want you to guess. And they found this out. What you have to do, the second thing you have to do, they found it out because in Korea, something like 98% of university students have to wear glasses. And they said, that's crazy a lot. You never see that. And they said, it must be a genetic thing. So they tested it. It's not a genetic thing. And then they said, it's because they spend hours and hours studying. And they really do. Koreans study a lot. But no, it's not that either. They found that this one thing you have to do, and you have to do it for 14 hours a week. For every hour less a week you do it, the more your chance goes up of you needing to wear glasses. Very interesting. Now, all the vitamins, all the nutrients that we were talking about, A, E, zeaxanthin, and lutein, are all antioxidants. And there's another antioxidant that works in our whole body, not just our eyes. And we're going to be making foods that have all these antioxidants in them. The one we're going to do this week is called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is crazy important in our bodies. In the air we breathe, if we're outside near a street, there's all the petrol and diesel fumes that are given up. We breathe those in. And the smoke and the little particles, when we breathe it in, our body has to get rid of them. By filtering and by using our immune system to grab a hold of them and let them go out in our urine. Well, there was a study done, and they found that this compound sulforaphane, when people took it and a group of people didn't take it, they had 30% more of the pesticides and the toxins from the air pollutants in their wee than the group that didn't take it. Also, they found that people that have tumors and cancer growth, that this compound helped reduce and take those tumors away. So it's really, really exciting compound. Then there's a couple other antioxidants we're going to talk about. And you may just have to try a tiny bite of a mushroom. Possible? Possible? Can you do it? Take care.